Following the release of the Uganda Certificate of Education UNEB exam results, students at Kisaasi College School have expressed their gratitude for their excellent performance.
My name is Melissa from Kisaasi College. I got a B, and what made me pass was because I was persistent. Even if I was a day scholar, I always persisted because I knew I'm competing with the borders. So I always did my best. So for all of you out there who are day scholars just like me and students, try harder because we are all on the same pace.
So my name is Nancy Bugashamim, and I'm a student of Kisaasi College. I sat senior fall 2024, and I've managed to get first grade. I'm so happy because I didn't expect that in the first place, but after all, after receiving the results, after receiving a call from the school administration, I found out that we all did well. We all participated well.
Well, as you can see, I'm a student of Kisaasi College. Yeah, and our teachers have helped us pass a lot. Yeah, the entire class has passed with grade 1. Yeah, and I'm so happy right now.
They highlighted key issues that have made them to pass the exams.
The commitment by the teachers, the well-good, everything else well given by the teachers, the exercises, the tests you have been doing, lots of them, the exams you have been in preps, and also the teachers are approachable to make consultations.
We have A's, we have B and C, and all our students in Kisaasi College have managed to pass with A, B and C. So that means we have all passed in the first grade.
My parents, my dad, my mom, thank you very much for paying for me up to this day that I have zero balance and I'm able to see my results. Thank you very much.
They have revealed their future plans as they get ready to join advanced level.
My future goal is to be an engineer. So with God and the support of my parents and the school, I now make it, inshallah.
First, I want to come back here because these guys have helped me very well. Because it's, okay, they are the reason why I've passed. Yeah, and what I want to be in future, I want to be a pharmacist. Yeah, doing that medicine stuff, yeah. Sciences, I did very well. I got an A in biology, a B in chemistry, B in physics, and an A in math. Yeah, so I think I can do the sciences very well.
Ibrahim Sekamate, the head teacher of Kisaasi College School, and Honorable Latif Sebagala, the director of Kisaasi College, both expressed their gratitude for the exemptional performance of their 2024 UCE runners.
To have our children achieving success, this has been a new curriculum that was brought 2020. We all didn't know how it would be. Alhamdulillah, we thank God that our learners have performed excellently. We sat 112 candidates and they have all scored Division 1.
There is no child who cannot learn when it's given an opportunity. And I've been always telling my teachers and my administrators at Kisaasi College School that please treat every learner as a gift. That everyone who is in your class, it is your duty to ensure that he or she understands you. So the best solution and the best method of teachers ensuring that there is learning in class is befriending the learners. To be friendly to your learners. When you are friendly to your learners, they will also love your subject. But the moment you look harsh, you look cruel, and you look hard on them, definitely they will hate the subject you're teaching.
They revealed that staff retention is one of the strategies that has contributed to their students' success.
That we have been performing very well for all the years. One thing is maintenance. First of all, I'm the same head teacher, same director, same teachers, same deputies, same staff. Maintaining staff alone is a automatic ticket to show you why we are maintaining the performance.
They also thanked the students for their obedience and discipline. They made a clarification regarding the grading of the results in relation to the new curriculum.
All our candidates, approximately 130, have been in grade A. They have passed well, and when you look at the new assessment, it's quite different from the other old assessment in the old curriculum. Whereby, if someone gets A, is exceptional, if gets B, is also exceptional, outstanding, and even C. So all those candidates with A, B, C are above average.
Julius Mhomza, Church of Uganda Family TV,